Hi guys, today we'll be talking about the latest update that is coming from Mike, the founder of StableFund. So I want you to sit back, relax as I dish out the latest updates that's going to be of benefit to you and I, or to any other person that is a member of a StableFund. Okay. My name is Thompson. Now, if this is your first time on my channel, I want you to subscribe to my channel and also remember to give this video a thumbs up. Okay. Now, the company StableFund, we actually just had a community AMA on Telegram. Okay. The AMA was very, very fantastic because a whole lot of information was dished out to the community, and the participation was very, very wonderful. Now, okay, now I'm just going to make this video very short, so I'm going to be dishing out the latest updates that we actually have about StableFund. Okay, now one of the things that you should know about StableFund is that StableFund is going to be integrating a Visa card into the system so that the members, the communities, okay, the community members of StableFund can have access to Visa card. Okay. Now, the founder Michael rightly told us that there is actually some challenges about the issue of KYC. Visa asking the community members to be KYC if they are going to be issuing out Visa card, Visa debit card to the community, to whoever that wants Visa card. So the issue now is whether we should be KYC'd or not. So that's going to be like a pool in the community. If you are not a member of the community on Telegram, I'm going to be dropping a link right below this video so that you join the community. Okay. So there is going to be a pool so that the community will decide if we are to go the way of KYC and get the Visa debit card or not. Okay, that is the first update that has put up to us. Okay, we'll be getting Visa card for members of the community. Now, the second update is that this very day, being 11th day of August 2022, the 2FA factor will be coming up. Okay, so, you know, a solid project and a website like StableFund actually need a 2FA security integration, okay? So this very day being the 11th, okay, from now being the 11th to 24 hours from now, which is going to be like on the 12th, definitely there will be a two-factor authentication, okay, 2FA for the website, so that your coin, your crypto, your money will be more secured, okay, on the website. So take note of that. There will be 2FA coming up on the website. Okay, now the community also discussed at length, and Michael made us to understand that there will also be a meet and greet, because the whole lot of persons are actually saying they would like to know the founder of this StableFund. They would like to meet him in person. So hopefully before December, there will be a meet and greet kind of a fora where the community members will meet with Michael, and then is going to talk to them about a whole lot of development about StableFund, and also is going to show some practical some practical demonstration of how these bots actually help us to trade our funds. Okay, that will be happening in the later part of this year. Okay, so keep that in mind. The location, the venue will be disclosed to the community in the later days to come. Okay, and also thirdly, there will be integration of Coinbase, okay, to StableFund platform, because already Michael made us to understand that there's already a talk, okay, there's already agreement going on, okay, discussion going on between StableFund and Coinbase, so that when Coinbase is integrated into StableFund, it will become easier for members of StableFund to withdraw their money, okay, withdraw their coin into Coinbase, okay? And from Coinbase, you can decide to do whatever you want to do with your fund, or you can transfer funds from Coinbase directly into your account on StableFund, okay? This is also part of the discussion that was held in that AMA today, okay? And fourthly, there's also discussion about PayPal, right? So you'll be having integration of PayPal also into StableFund, so that for those that have PayPal already, you can easily log in, okay, to your StableFund through your PayPal, okay, then you can transfer money from your StableFund accounts, okay, down to your PayPal wallet, and then you can either use the debit card from PayPal and do whatever you want to do with your fund, okay. That is also a discussion about the stable fund that we had with the stable fund founder, okay. And also remember, earlier there was a vote about addition of another coin, which the community actually agreed on, and we voted for BNB. Okay, now BNB will be added to Matic BUSD. Okay, so from now henceforth, in 48 hours from now, so that will be also integrated into the system. So we'll now have 3 coins that we can actually stake our coin with on stable fund. So we'll be having BUSD, Matic, and BNB. Okay, so any moment from now, the BNB will actually be integrated into the system. Okay, so these are the 5 latest updates and information that I actually have for you guys, you the community of StableFund. I believe you all are actually enjoying what is happening in StableFund. It's been running good and fine. Okay, now remember, this video is not coming because I'm getting a referral or whatsoever, okay, but because we all believe that StableFund is going to go far, is going to stay long, and we all are going to benefit from it. Okay, so I'm going to be dropping the link to StableFund, okay, right below this video, and also I'll be dropping the link to StableFund Telegram group. If you've not joined the group, just do yourself well to join the group. Now, if you are just seeing this video for the first time and you are wondering what is StableFund, StableFund is actually a platform, okay, that is put together by trusted individuals, okay, that actually offers you 1%, 1.5% of your deposited investment into this platform. Okay, the platform is called StableFund once again. So the platform actually pays 1.5% daily, okay, to its community, okay, based on the amount of money you actually deposited into the platform. Okay, as you can see here on my screen, here I actually have $29 deposited, and the other one I have $29 also. You can see my profit already. I've actually withdrew some already out of here, and I'm going to put in more, like $200 or $300 into this platform. So I keep earning 1.5% of my total sum every day. Okay, so that is the update I have for you guys. Now, if you got value from this video, I want you to give the video a thumbs up, and also remember, subscribe to the channel. Take care of yourself, and bye-bye.